everybody? I'm here today with a video about the Nikon D3300 DSLR camera. I will be showing you how to connect this camera to a TV or monitor, and this will be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is what the camera looks like. There are various ports all around the camera that you can access. So, you know, the memory card goes in here, the battery is down here. There are all sorts of flaps that you can open, but there's one flap over here that actually says AV out. Okay, so you can see right there, AV out. AV stands for audio/video. Out means it's going out to an external TV or monitor. So when you open that up right there, you can see where the AV out was. There's going to be a little port. That small one right there is going to be your AV out, okay? There's also an HDMI port that you can use for an HDMI cable. But with your Nikon D3300, you probably received this. In my kit, I received this, which on one side has this little port that connects to the camera, and on the other side has these two cables right here that connect to the TV, okay? So what you're gonna do is take your little port, you're gonna plug it into the camera. So you can see right here, it only goes in one way. It's very easy. You take it, you plug it into the camera just like that. Okay, it only goes in one way. I'm gonna get some leverage against my chest there. So you plug it into the camera, and on the other end, you have these two cables. These two cables plug in to the TV or monitor. Now you'll notice one is white and one is yellow, okay? Your white is gonna be for your audio, and your yellow is going to be for your video. On the back of your TV or monitor, you should have usually these colors, plus there might be a red color, and then even some additional colors. All that you need to do is plug the white plug into the white port and the yellow plug into the yellow port. That's it. Okay, white is for audio. It's going to say audio. Okay, and then yellow is for video. It's going to say video. Very simple. Once you've done that, you want to turn your TV or monitor to the input setting that you plug this into. So if you plug this into video 2, let's say, or AV1, or whatever the case is, you want to switch to that input setting, and you should be able to operate the camera on the TV. Some DSLR cameras allow you to actually see the screen while you're taking a picture on the TV, and others are only going to allow you to view the pictures on the TV. So it all depends on the camera that you have. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.